This is the video review of my new version of Megatron, yeah, with big, bulky legs, and yes, he just looks more kind of Megatron-y. He looks like Megatron, and yes, he has a normal arm here and here. The cool thing is, well, you just have to flip this like this. If you want to flip the whole arm off, but I'm not gonna do this. And just wait for a second. Well, you can see you have to just easily take out the arm, put it here, take the skeleton claw, and you can see the slot in here. No, you can't. No, never mind. And you just have to you know what to do, and I'm gonna stop for a second, and well, you can see the claw of Megatron. That is really loose. It can't stay on, really. I wish it could, but it can't. Well, this is it, the video review. Goodbye, so long. Subscribe, woohoo!